Hi, I'm Emily here at horticulture.co.uk, and in today's short video I'll be showing you how to sow mustard leaves. Mustard leaves can be sown any type of year as long as they're sown in a sunny position. To sow mustard leaves you will need some pots and some compost. Here I'm just adding the compost to the pots and then sprinkling in my mustard seeds. The pots I'm using are around 9 inches. Sprinkle in the mustard seeds evenly around the top of the compost. Then I'm adding a sprinkle of compost to the top of each pot and firming down. Lastly, add the pots to a tray and then add water into the tray so that the pots soak up the water from the bottom. You can also sow mustard seeds directly outside in a raised bed directly where they are to grow.